Little boy looks from his daddy's hand. Says, Daddy, I'm gonna be a farmer.
Hey, good morning. Welcome to Barn Farm. We're headed on our pack trip, and we did a video loading up this morning. So we have the 3 pack mules, Gus, Baby, and Bobo. And then we brought Halo, Tia, Polka Dot, and Shrek. And then so those are the horses we got. We're gonna have all the mules packed up with pack saddles, and Bobo will have a pack saddle on, and I'll be riding on the pack saddle with her. So come along with us and see how it goes.
Well, the Parsons are up in front of us. They got their truck and a big blue Smurf trailer. 1 horse, 3 mules.
We got 3 horses in the back of ours. So
We're riding 3 horses in the back of ours.
Yep. We're going to a place that we haven't been before, so it's gonna be interesting.
Yep.
See a lot of new country.
So this over here is where they have taken a chipper on a piece of equipment and chipped up the trees and just laid it on the ground. We'd like to try that on our property, see if it'll work better than with the Traco or what.
Well, we are off. We are fully packed and ready to go. See everybody behind me, and Searle's in the lead, headed up this trail. So things went well this morning, and we're off.
Wilhelm is a proud family tree. Our roots are Naomi and George Z. The lady and the cowboy, so they say. Their love continues with us here today. Yes, our roots in these mountains run deep. My mind likes to come here when I sleep and dream about the ones who've come before. I know I'm part of all this forevermore. Different paths our forefathers trod.
You're going to want to stay left whenever we come to this next fork.
Through it all there runs a common thread. They heard the truth being spoken.
Because the other one goes old sawmill or something.
And it touched
Or sawmill or whatever.
all their hearts just the same. It's our roots in these mountains run deep. My mind likes to come here when I sleep and dream about the ones who've come before. I know I'm part of all this and so much more. Where there's a well,
Big country here.
there's a way. We find a way to cope day by day. Through great
Take a look at that big old tree there, guys, down there to your left.
of the tears.
Big old Doug fir. Look at that thing. That thing's got to be 300 foot tall. Look at the one down the bottom. I know, I think it's huge. Whoa, horse. That's one tall tree.
And dream about the ones who've come before.
Spring.
I know I'm part of all this forever.
Well, we're on a different trail here. Switched off, but things are going good. Yeah, a leaning tower of Pisa. The weather's gorgeous, cloud cover, and got a little rain last night, so it's moisture. Anyways, this is awesome. This is Sir Talk-A-Lot. Huh, Johnny?
Yeah.
How's it been?
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah. Just up the hills are a little scary.
Yeah, you gotta just sit back. Scoot back there.
But then she puts down her head and it pulls me up.
Oh, we need some longer reins?
Yeah, I need to get it.
What do you think, Z?
Going good.
So some horses have a hard time leading out, and so we swapped out. I was leading for probably 3/4 of a mile, half a mile, and then now I got Z leading. Polka Dot was leading first. He does pretty well, just a little slow. But you can see Z, he's up there leading the trip path now, and everybody seems to be doing good. Such a beautiful country here, and anyways, looking good. This stream runs in and out of the ground in the spots, and it's pretty cool. So Gus here took off and started headed back down, so he had to leave. As soon as we left, he comes running. And anyway, so Gus doesn't like to be left alone, but he likes to lead out, so now he's at the bottom. So Z's leading baby with Tia. There you go. What's up, Johnny? Huh?
Feels nice sitting here.
Yeah. Bobo okay?
Yeah, she should be. You okay, big girl?
Don't do that.
Did he try to roll again?
He's trying to.
He's like, I gotta get this thing off me. He can't roll with it though.
No, but he's going to try again. He's thinking.
Little turkey.
Maybe I'll just go eat.
Alright.
I think I'm gonna start riding like this. It feels a lot better.
Well, let's get our mounts and go. Well, I don't know how smart this is, but Gus is leading us. And he's in the lead. Staying on the trail though. You see us. Gus has been, I don't know if Gus has been here before or not, but he's actually from down this country. when he was little. He was born down here, but everybody else following in. Well, guys, we made it to a camp spot. We got a water hole. Marvin made it, huh? Did good. Well, it's been an awesome trip so far. So these guys are tired, and I think we've gone, what, 5-6 miles, 7 miles, something like that. It's pretty cool. So as we were coming in, we found this horse skull. I don't know, looks like a fairly, not too old. Teeth aren't worn out that bad. And hole through the brain. Hey. 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 What are you doing? No more. No. No more. More. No. You gotta go. Go on. Go on. What? You think you could, huh? You think you deserve more? You think you deserve more? It's crazy. It definitely stands out when you...
I almost think it's lack of nutrition.
I'm wondering, huh?
It's got good growth.
So we got a little watering hole over there. Johnny's washing up. And it's pretty cool country. There's a spring right here. And he's taking care of business. Well, Johnny, got yourself a little spring here, huh?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Rinsing myself off.
Did you get muddy, wet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Don't get your shoes wet. I ought to put another log down there, huh?
I had this one up higher.
Yeah.
But when I use it, it falls down. I had it up here, but it fell down.
So, what do you think of all this country?
It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta go get on my t-shirt now.
Yeah, don't forget your sweatshirt. We're gonna go for a ride tomorrow around and just look at country.
Yep.
So, got a nice bed and everything, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yep. That's camp. We did a big pile of pine needles there. And yeah, it's pretty cool country. So we started out this morning at our house, caught all the horses and put them in the trailer, and then we drove to the trailhead. And we're about 7 miles in, I think, 7-8 miles in, and we're gonna work all the way around these mountains around us, and this will be our base camp, and it'll be a lot of fun. So tomorrow and the next day we can spend just exploring anywhere we want, and using the horses and whatnot. And so this has been a lot of fun. It's I don't know, I love being out here. It's relaxing, and anyways, so keep coming. It's been awesome. What happened to your hat?
This part right here, it had all these connecting a different thing out here.
Part of the brim?
Yeah, and they started ripping right here. And I tried to tape it, but the tape didn't work, so I just ripped the whole thing off and burnt it.
Made a little derby hat, huh?
Yeah.
It works good for you, though.
So we had an escape artist last night. Huh, Johnny?
Yeah. He just let me walk up to him.
Did he?
Yeah, he didn't try to run at all. He just sat there.
Were you a little worried?
I walked out, I looked, and I saw that he was untied. And I looked over there, saw him, so I said a prayer that he'd just let me walk up to him, and he did.
Hmm. Were you the one that tied him up last night?
Yeah, I tied him up.
It's good. It's good that you caught him. Huh.
Yeah.
He likes to get loose, doesn't he?
Yeah, I don't think he likes to be tied up.
Not very long, huh? Well, how'd you sleep last night?
Slept pretty good.
You kept trying to cuddle up to me.
Yeah.
You kept pushing me off. Well, it rained last night. This morning.
I knew it rained because I could hear it, and I heard you guys moving things because Amira's feet were getting wet.
Yeah. But glad everybody's still okay.
Yeah.
Probably ought to feed these guys this morning. Some grain. What do you think?
I don't know.
Why don't you go grab the sack of grain? So our tent was a little leaky last night. Got a little bit of water. And there you go.
Once the sun comes out, it's probably going to be a pretty warm day. I don't see very many clouds.
Yep. She doesn't know how to eat with her mouth closed, does she? She makes a mess.
Gus is had enough yet? More. You think Gus needs more?
Let's grab this one and
Get out.
just pull it on.
Yeah.
Yep. So Johnny was the first one up, and he's always concerned, especially on trips like this. Come out and check the animals, make sure they're okay. He's awesome. Anyways, we're gonna finish feeding these guys.
Yes, our roots in this mountain run deep. My mind likes to come here when I sleep.